Hello, this is Monique Ray Gomez, and I just got my 5 Home Depot pest control. This is by Bayer. They say it's a good medicines, these ones. So I'm going to test it out. Insect disease and mite control. Best type of vegan formulas you can use. They have proof on photos online at Home Depot. You can look at the reviews, interviews, and they show the before and after shrubs of the mites getting out of the spaces and stuff like that. But I also, this can be used for your pets, like spaces and stuff like that, to keep the mites off of them, bugs. And there's this one's a carpenter and a termite killer plus, and plus kills fleas and ticks and crickets and spiders. This is for indoor and outdoor, 12 month, and then also germ killer, up to 99% of the germs for indoors, and then let's see, indoor and outdoor insect killer, so you can use it for both. Also, this one's for Bayer, feeds and protects on EPC against insects, promotes strong loss of rainbow protection. This is also good protection, anti-protection use. I also got the 7 garden tag ready to use, ready not to use. Kills over 100 insects, and I'm going to put these on my yard today and see how that works, and see the difference in these upcoming days. Well, sign queen off, Matico bless, veggie bless, protection for miles, teach people to be vegan. We are so grateful, Matico, for allowing queen us to be Matico of ourselves, and for our natural the Martinivus, a woman. And this is how this one is spraying out like sideways. See that? So I'm gonna work and see what I can do to better that. And sign queen off, Matico bless, a woman. Auf Wiedersehen.